Hi all, this is Srivatsan Balaji.
And this is Vaibhav Gupta. Roman Roland once said, "If there is one place on the face of this earth where all the dreams of living men have found a home from the very earliest days when man began the dreams of existence, it is India."
So here are our 20 facts about India part 2.
India never invaded any country in her last 100,000 years of history. When many cultures were only nomadic forest dwellers over 5000 years ago, Indians established Harappan culture in Sindhu Valley, Indus Valley civilization. Persian invaders converted it into Hindu. The name Hindustan combines Sindhu and Hindu and thus refers to the land of the Hindus. Chess was invented in India. Algebra, trigonometry, and calculus are studies which originated in India. The place value system and the decimal system are developed in India in 100 BC. World's first granite temple in Bhradaveshwara temple in Tanjore, Tamil Nadu, the shikhara of the temple is made from a single 80-ton piece of granite. The magnificent temple was built in just 5 years, between 1004 AD to 1009 AD, during the reign of Raja Raja Chola.
The largest employer in India is the Indian Railways, employing over a million people.
The world's first university was established in Takshila in 700 BC. More than 10,500 students from all over the world studied more than 60 subjects. The University of Nalanda, built in the 4th century, was one of the greatest achievements of an ancient India in the field of education. Ayurveda is the earliest school of medicine known to mankind. The father of medicine, Charaka, consolidated Ayurveda 2500 years ago.
The art of navigation and navigating was born in the river Sindh over 6000 years ago. The very word navigation is derived from the Sanskrit word navigant. The word navy is also derived from the Sanskrit word nau. Bhaskaracharya rightly calculated the time taken by the earth to orbit the sun hundreds of years before the astronomer Smart. According to his calculation, the time was taken by the earth to orbit the sun was 365.258756484 days. The value of p was first calculated by the Indian mathematician Budayana, and he explained the concept of what is known as the Pythagorean theorem. He discovered this in the 6th century, long before the European mathematicians. Algebra, trigonometry, and calculus also originated in India. Quadratic equations were used by Siddharacharya in the 11th century. The largest numbers the Greeks and the Romans used were 106, whereas Hindus used numbers as big as 10 star 53. Example, 10 to the power of 53, with specific names as early as 5000 BC during the Vedic period. Even today, the largest used number is tera, 10 to the power of 12. Until 1896, India was the only source of diamonds in the Bailey
world.
Ridge is the highest bridge in the world. It is located in the Ladakh Valley between the Daras and Suru rivers in the Himalayan mountains. It was built by the Indian Army in August 1982. Sushruta is regarded as the father of surgery. Over 2600 years ago, Sushruta and his team conducted complicated surgeries like cataract, artificial limbs, cesareans, fractures, urinary stones, plastic surgery, and brain surgery.
Usage of anesthesia was well known in ancient Indian medicine. Detailed knowledge of anatomy, embryology, digestion, metabolism, psychology, etiology, genetics, and immunity is also found in many ancient Indian texts.